Hello, my name is Jack Hill, and I am an attorney with the law firm of Searcy Denny in West Palm Beach, Florida. One of the areas in which I specialize involves bringing claims on behalf of those injured or killed by the negligent and sometimes reckless conduct by operators of commercial motor vehicles. There are nearly 11 million large trucks operating on the streets and highways in the United States. As the population in South Florida continues to rise, you can expect to share the road with more and more commercial trucks every year. Given their sheer size and handling characteristics, when these large trucks are involved in crashes, the results can often be tragic and catastrophic. Commercial truck accident litigation can be very complex. How can truck accident litigation differ from more common automobile crashes? First, given the size, weight, braking ability, and maneuverability characteristics, the reconstruction of crashes involving one or more commercial trucks can be very different from a crash that only involves passenger vehicles. The ability to reconstruct crashes involving commercial trucks can oftentimes be enhanced if certain data is gathered as quickly as possible following the crash. Commercial trucks often have recording devices that capture critically important data from immediately before and during a crash. Of course, a lawyer representing an injured victim will also want to secure any cell phone records of the truck driver to see if that driver was distracted by talking or even texting on the cell phone immediately before the crash. The laws that regulate truck drivers are also more complex than those for the ordinary motoring public. In addition to having to follow the usual rules of the road, commercial truck drivers and the companies they work for must also follow federal regulations governing the operation of commercial trucks. For example, a truck driver is limited in the number of hours they can drive per day. When these regulations are ignored, a truck driver can become fatigued and will be more prone to being involved in a crash. Although truck crash litigation can be very complex, hiring a lawyer with the necessary training, experience, and ability in this specialized area of the law will go a long way in seeing that you or a loved one get the justice you deserve.